Hello from Fine Arts. Today we are going to create artwork inspired by WASSILY Kandinsky. Kandinsky said, "To create a work of art is to create the world." When you make your masterpiece today, you can create your art any way you want. You have a drawing guide that has information about Kandinsky. He was born in Moscow, Russia in 1866. Our inspiration for this project is his artwork Color Study, Squares with Concentric Circles, which he created in 1913. On the back of your drawing guide are the art steps. So the first thing we're going to do is start with a peach paper, and we're going to fold it into sections. And each section represents 1/4 of the square. Let's get started. So we're going to start with a peach paper. And we're going to take our paper and you're going to fold it in half, close to the edge, and you're going to push, push, push. Okay? Then you're going to open it up, turn it the other way, fold it in half the other direction, and you're going to push, push, push. So when you open it up, you should have 4 squares. Now, the next part of our step is putting together our frame. So we're going to take our frame paper, which your frame choices today are red, yellow, or blue, our primary colors, and we're going to go ahead and glue down our peach paper on our frame. So you have a glue jar. You're going to open it up, twist it to the left, and with our glue jar, you have a glue brush. So we're going to dip our glue brush, and when we glue our frame together, we go across the top, one little layer. We go across, painting on the glue, down, across, up. So we're just doing the outside edge, which is like the perimeter. Okay? Then we're going to leave our glue brush in the glue jar. We're going to turn our paper over, and we're going to try to center it on our paper. When I say center, that means there's a border all the way around. And now you're going to push or massage the paper. Push those air bubbles out. Push, push, push. Okay? Good. After we put our frame together, step 3 is to glue the artist information sheet on the back. So we flip it over, and in class you will have a artist information sheet about our artist, where he was from. Today we're creating abstract art. We're going to use oil pastels and tempera paint sticks. So we're going to turn this over, gluing it on the back, and my rule is dot, dot, not a lot. So when you're doing something small, you just can do dots around the outside edge, just a few dots to get it to stick. Okay, then you're going to turn the artist information sheet over, try to center it, and you're going to push it out. So that way you know who we are inspired by for this art. Now, to turn in your glue, you're going to wipe your glue brush carefully on the edge. You're going to put your glue brush in the hot tub. You're going to take the top to your glue, twist it to the right, not too tight. You're going to put your glue back in the caddy, and again, the glue brush goes in the hot tub. Okay. The next step, step 4, is to trace our circle template with a pencil. So pick any square you want, and our circle templates are different shapes for soccer balls. Some of them are soccer, some of them are basketball. So you're just going to hold it, and if you want to have a partner help you with this, you can, or if you think you can do it, you hold it with one hand. You're going to just trace that circle all the way around. And if you make a mistake, don't worry, it's art. There are no mistakes in art, just happy accidents. Okay, the next step is to use oil pastels to make thick circles. Now, you have in class a box. You're going to open it up, and inside there are 2 metal tins. You open them. There's one. With our rainbow colors, you open the other one. just a quick lift with our special colors. So today you can do it however you want. And then we also have our tempera paint sticks. So when we use our oil pastels to make thick circles, you can use a scratch paper if you need to kind of mark up the oil pastel if you want to check it. Also, I want you to use 4 to 5 colors for each circle. If I look at Kandinsky's beautiful creation, you can see he was checking to see which colors blend well together. So there is no wrong way to do this lesson. You do it however you want. Okay, so we're going to start with the outside edge. You could pick whatever color you want, going around the outside edge. Okay, and you can kind of fill it in. If you don't fill it in all the way, don't worry about it. We're going to smear it after we get the color down. Ooh, I like that blue. Okay, then you can pick another color. Ooh, I'm going to use a specialty color. And again, I want you to use, you can do a circle around. And if the colors mix, that is okay. So you're going to do 4 to 5 colors in a circle motion. That's nice. Ooh, maybe I should use some orange. Look at this. So pretty. Okay, and oh, I love yellow. Yellow is my favorite. And maybe in the middle, I'm feeling a little green too. Again, there is no wrong way to do this. Notice I left some spaces. That's okay. So after you use 4 to 5 colors for each color, you're going to use a paper towel to make a ghost finger. I'm going to show you how to do that. Then we're going to smear the oil pastels in a circle motion. Okay, so you have a paper towel I will give you. And with the paper towel, you're going to take your finger. You want to use your dominant hand. So if you write with your right hand, use your right hand. If you write with your left hand, use your left hand. You're going to put that paper towel around your finger like a ghost finger, okay? And you're going to smear. And you're going to kind of push on it, and it will smear the colors together. Look at that. Look at that. That blue and purple mixed together. So beautiful. And I'm going to... Now, I picked another section for the next colors. I kind of move it around, smearing the colors. Notice, ooh, the magenta and the orange mixed together to make kind of a red. Now I'm going to pick another spot on my paper towel, smear it around, and maybe one more for that middle. Ooh, notice the yellow and the green made like a lime green. So you want to kind of smear it enough so that there are no peach marks. Here we go. And if you have little shavings, don't worry about that. Okay, beautiful. I'm liking it. And if you want to add any other colors to it, like if you're like, I want this to be a little bit thicker, you can layer in your colors. Maybe I'm going to grab that light blue, put some light blue in there too. Smear it again, whatever you're feeling. Gorgeous. Okay. And then you're going to save this because you're going to need it for the other squares. All right. The next step, you're going to pick one tempera paint stick to color in your background. So these are the tempera paint sticks. And let me show you what that looks like. Exactly what we are doing. So when I say tempera paint stick, we're going to go around the outside edge of the square, and then we're going to fill it in. So this is paint in a stick, and the amazing thing is it dries in 2 minutes. Now, when I'm thinking about what color to use, I kind of like to use one of the colors that I've already picked. So I'm going to take this beautiful green, and again, it's kind of like lipstick or a glue stick. You twist it to the right to get it to go up, and you're going to go around the outside edge, making that square. Okay, and then you're going to take your tempera paint stick and you're going to fill it in. And if you blend with the blue, that's okay. Remember, today you're exploring color. Our element of art focus is on color. inspired by the great WASSILY Kandinsky. He is the father of abstract art. Amazing. Look how beautiful that is. And then when you're done with the tempera paint stick, you twist it back down, okay? And then you put the lid back on. Amazing. So number 9, do 1 whole square first. So we did 1 whole square. Number 10, we're gonna repeat the above steps 3 more times. So you're gonna go back through these steps and create your amazing masterpiece. So I will show you one more time. Again, you're gonna get that circle template. Trace your circle template all the way around. If you make a mistake, don't worry about it. In art, there are no mistakes, and you have creative freedom. And then you can pick different colors. They don't have to match. So maybe I'll start with this pretty pink. And I went all the way around. This one's nice and creamy. Very nice. Maybe I'm feeling a little pink today. Ooh, I like this color here. Look at this. This is like the color amber, which is my name. And you make the color amber by mixing yellow and orange. That's beautiful. And maybe I'll do a little bit of red. And yellow again. Okay. Then you're going to take your paper towel and you're going to smear. And make a ghost finger. Smear those colors. Gorgeous. And again, if you wanted to add more color to it, you can do that. I'm going to put some yellow over top of that. So these are more of warm colors that I chose in this square. Now, next step, you're going to pick a color for the outside edge. I'm going to go with that yellow. Here we go. So you go around the outside edge. And fill it in. And watch the magic happen. Amazing. Okay. And I wonder if I take my paper towel and kind of smear the tempera paint stick. I guess it did that, but it added the extra color. No big deal. Beautiful. Today's artwork is beautiful and bright. There we go. Gorgeous. And then twist it, put the cap back on. You're going to share your supplies with your partner, the person next to you. And again, you're going to create your Kandinsky inspired art, filling in all 4 of your circles. When you're all done, I want you to come see me so I can check out your beautiful creation. I hope you had fun in fine arts class today, learning about the amazing Kandinsky. Until next time, bye everybody.